Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to find all the prime numbers for 108, and I like to use a factor tree. So let's get started. Since it ends in an even number, I'm just going to begin with 2. 2 times 54 equals 108. Circle 2 because it is prime. Now, 2 times 27 equals 54, and then I know 7 plus 2 is 9, so it's divisible by 3. 3 times 9 is 27, circle 3 because it is prime, and then we have 3 times 3, and we're down to prime numbers. So we are finished now. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and if you'd like to write it in exponential form, it is 2 squared, 3 cubed. So there we go. The prime numbers are 108. Now let's take a look at 126. Now let's go over finding the prime numbers for 126. Again, it ends in an even number, so let's just begin with 2, and then that is 2 times 63 equals 126, circle the 2. Then I know 6 plus 3 is 9, so it must be divisible by 3. And then that is 3 times 21. Circle the 3 because it is prime. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, so I know 21 is divisible by 3. And it's 3 times 7. And we are down to all prime numbers. So the prime factors are 2, 3, 3, and 7. And if you like it in exponential form, it is 2, 3 squared, and 7. I hope this was helpful.